Welcome to the Real Reno Tips. I hope you enjoy this video and we are gonna show you how to demolish a bathroom today. First we start with the bathtub. Make sure to use the proper tools. Next is we are going to remove these walls from the bathroom. Make sure to pay attention to the parts to not damage them. Before we remove the sink, we are gonna make sure the water is shut down. As you can see, the water is shut it down. To remove the sink, you can shake it and here we go. For this side, you can use the cutter to remove the tape. Make sure to not damage the parts. Here we go. We removed the case. And then after we shut down the water, we come back to the bathtub. You might struggle opening that, so you can hold it like that and open it easily. There you go. Make sure to use the proper tools to remove the wall. Make sure to have a safety gloves. You can remove the floor to take the bathtub out easily. You can use the smaller tools for the edges and remove them. Make sure to have safety glasses and gloves. Sometimes we can't remove some parts, so we demolish all the way around to remove them. These walls might fall and hurt your feet, so make sure you have safety shoes. might get some help. You should be very careful removing wall, and you can use safety shoes to reduce the risk. Make sure it's non-slippery shoes. And we remove the bathtub, and finally your bathroom is demolated. Please subscribe and make sure to follow up to learn new tips from real reno tips. I hope you enjoyed the video.